Hey, what's up, everybody? So, I have my girlfriend with me, and I want to talk about this new drink that I created today. I think it's simply amazing. What I did was I took different teas, different powerful teas. I put them together, and I made a great drink. Now, watch this. I made this amazing drink. It has so many benefits. We're going to talk about one of the benefits that I noticed today. And that's why I have my girlfriend with me. Because this was so amazing, I needed a testimonial. So, okay, so basically, one of the things that it does, it helps boost the sex drive. Now, before I say anything, I want her to say a few things about, like, what did you notice today that was different from other days when we we made love. This is like really personal. But yeah, what did you notice?
I noticed like we can have sex like different, and then it feels like
We gotta say make love. We can't use that word. I think, right? Okay, it was different. How was it
and
different?
amazing and amazing.
Amazing. How? What made it? What was the difference?
Like normally we did just like 2 rounds, but right now we can make like 4, 5 rounds, and I honestly like I came 10 times. Crazy, crazy,
That was crazy.
crazy.
Yeah, that was crazy. That was way more than 4 or 5 rounds. But
And
yeah,
we realized that it's because that drink.
I kind of realized that. No, because I was honest with myself, and I'm like,
Wait a minute.
yo, it has to be this drink because this is not me. Like, I mean, I'm being honest with you. We go, go that round, and a good round, I would say. So I'd say, what's me in the face for? A good round, and then daytime, and then nighttime we'll do another round. But this was different. Like, I'm gonna tell you, like,
Totally different.
it was straight. It was concurrent.
Like just take a break like 1 minute and we go to the next round. It's crazy.
Yeah, that was crazy. I know a lot of y'all, a lot of y'all young bucks probably could do this already, but
But this is crazy for us. Like this
now,
is the first time.
now listen, yeah, this is the first time. Like, this is probably the first time I've ever done something like this in my life. Like this, like this. I mean, like, basically what
Like
I'm
this crazy.
yeah, like I can go, I can hold, but the thing about it is when I'm tired, I'm tired. When I'm done, I'm like, okay, I'm good,
Still up. It's
yeah,
still up.
yeah. I've done enough, but this time with this drink, I'm like mentally, I'm like, I'm good, but he's like, oh hey, let's go, and
I'm
she's
up.
yeah, he's still up. So I know for a fact that it has to be this drink. Like, it has to be this drink, cause me, I'm done. Like, when I'm done, like I said, I'm done. I'm good, and then
But
I'm.
today, different.
Yeah, it's crazy though. I was watching Kevin Hart show, that special. He was talking about on the 8th. He gave his girl some good stuff, and he's like, now listen, just what this one day a month. And I remember I told her today. I said, listen, now don't be expecting this all the time. Don't be expecting this every day. So she said she's gonna put them herbs in all of my food now. Listen, anyway, I had to share this. It works. This is it's gonna be going
It's
on.
really weird.
Yeah, it's gonna be going on my site. It's gonna be going on my site. But the taste is very harsh, but it's amazing.
It's work.
Listen, fellas, I think your women are gonna be pleased, and what I think that's all I gotta say.
And want it more and more.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. That's another thing. Yeah, that's another thing. Gonna want it more and more and more, and it's like I've noticed the more you can go, the more they're gonna want. Like, come here, enough is enough. But finally,
No,
yeah. Finally, I had to say, all right, that's it, we good, and because I'm still can keep going. Like, it's I
Still
have.
up.
I hope this wasn't too much graphic. I hope this wasn't too graphic for y'all, but I'm just straight to the point. This is what it is, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be getting something. Well, I know on my Instagram, people are like, "Yo, what's that drink?" So I'm excited because I was taking a lot of products off of my site, and I said, you know what? I did a lot of research. I've been did research, but I did some research on, you know what, let me put this with this and that with that, and boom, got something amazing. This is not just for sex drive though. This is for so much more, and you're gonna see that like when you check my website. Anyway, I'll tell you the name.
Go get it.
Yeah, I'll tell you the name of it.
Try and you can feel it, you know?
The name is going to be, what did I say? I said the name is going to be
God's Treasure.
God's Treasure. God's Treasure. It's a beautiful thing. Anyway, peace.